Welcome to our channel, AN Photography, where we bring you fascinating moments from the natural world. Today, we have a special treat for you as we observe the incredible parenting skills of the red-rumped swallow. It's truly remarkable how these birds dedicate themselves to the well-being of their young. Parental care is essential for the survival of any species. The adult swallow returns from its hunt carrying insects gathered from nearby fields. The parent carefully places the insects directly into the chick's mouth. The adult swallow has to make many trips to satisfy the voracious appetite of its offspring. Join us next time as we explore more fascinating wonders of the natural world. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching.